If you are someone who doesn't feel excited about life every single day and just whiles away the time every single day, doesn't feel like life is for me, then this message is for you. And wait to hear until the end. Welcome back, and I'm Pujita Singh. One important lesson and a huge mistake that I did in my life for quite a long time was not understanding why I was feeling, not excited about life, or, I used to just think that, okay, I just need to kill my time every single day when I get up, right? And this is something which is happening quite a lot right now because we are all locked in and we are all, staying at home and not moving around, not meeting people. Pandemic will go, not go, that is on the external world and it's not in our influence or in our control. But what is in our control is how we treat our life. And one of the simplest and a strongest and a consistent way you can be excited in your life is by changing your state. Yes. If you are someone who does a lot of work by sitting, not having enough movement with your body, there is a huge problem that will happen in the future. And what I want to talk about was just this today, right? Every single day, even if you're not someone who is keen with doing exercises, or if you have other kind of issues in your body in terms of pain and much more, or doctor asked you or advised you not to, do huge exercises, simple things like, doing jumping at a place for 50, 30 times or whatever works for you, right? Or having a movement at one place itself while you are at home. Even if you have a not such a big house, it's absolutely okay. You just need a smaller space where you can stand and do things. For that matter, dancing on your favorite song. If you think that dancing is going to be awkward and you don't have privacy to do that, just jump for 30, 50 times, or start off with 10 times and 15 times and see. You will start noticing how your breath is shaping differently. And also, very soon, you will eventually start doing more of it. You will start missing it, in fact. I was somebody who just used to do things, keep working at work or in personal life, but that physical movement where I can change my state was not happening. And this is one such biggest blunder that I have done in my life. Remember, if you are not creative, and how can the creativity happen if there is a body movement, right? If you are active in your life, you can change your physical state, emotional state, mental state, and so much more. Today, what we do, we just get up, we don't have a routine for ourselves. Again, I'm not saying that, turn to a morning person, start doing exercises, go out of the house and do running or hit the gym and things like that. No. All I'm saying is, even if you can't do anything, just jump at one place for 5, 10 times, 15 times, 20 times. Do some simple exercises where there is a movement in your energy level, where you start feeling fresh. Remember, this impacts all areas of your life, and I have suffered this big time. It starts reflecting in your finances as well, by the way, because if you are vibrating at a very lower frequency, and if you are just feeling bored in life, fatigue in life. Remember, when we generally feel fatigue only when we don't have things which excites us in life, and this is the common problem. Start having some bit of physical movement, or anything that you love doing which you stop doing. You don't have to do it at a particular time, only in the mornings. Just remember that there should be some gap between your meals versus your exercise and stuff like that. Even if you're not a fitness freak, having some movement in your body will change your state, and that state will reflect in your actions that you will take during the day, the goals that you will accomplish, the tasks that you have assigned to yourself and others around you. Everything will start falling in place. You tackle the state, and trust me, the rest will fall in place, and you will realize that you're not feeling sad for any reason. You feel something excited. If you think that you really can't take much steps, at least do 5 times. 5 times, and multiply this for a couple of times in the day. It's as simple as that. But do some physical movement with your body. Otherwise, down the line, you will not be able to manage anything, right? And I'm sure this is at least workable solution. Very often we just start dealing with all the kind of issues in terms of understanding the bigger solutions. But as I keep telling like a parrot each time, your problem solution lies in a much more closer, smaller step every time. And we always go and look outward, but the problem is inward. With that, thank you so much for listening me. Love you loads. Bye bye.